Hey guys, Alex here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be sharing with you a real estate app that I use to close deals. Brooky. Brooky is an app that uses artificial intelligence to manage inventory, make reservations, and equity payments. It was founded in 2019 by couple Elroy and Steph Uta and managed with their partners, the Fiel brothers. Steph is actually one of my business partners in Truly Wealthy Realty, which we co-founded 10 years ago. And just a disclaimer, this is not a paid ad. I just really wanted to show you how I use the app to close deals because I find it easy and convenient to use. Plus, brokers and agents get to use it for free. And I think more developers should incorporate Brooky into their system. It was founded out of the pain points that we experienced as sellers. Being in sales, you need to reply with speed and accuracy, right? You can't be sending information that is not updated to your clients. And since we have clients from all over the world, there are times when we're still communicating with them at 1 or 2 a.m. And so the challenge we have as sellers is that we can no longer coordinate with the marketing team after office hours since they are off duty already or asleep. It's after all like 1 or 2 a.m. already. So this is the pain point that Brooky is solving, and it is to automate inventory management. So they started off with using FB Messenger, Viber, and WhatsApp as a means to provide the data that we need to sell. And eventually they moved on to develop their own application, which is what we are using now. So what I like about using the app is that it provides the data that we need in seconds, like the inventory, sample computation, price list, floor plans, everything that I need to sell. And what the developer just needs to do then is to update the database regularly. So of course, over the years, the services of Brooky has evolved to include online reservation, equity payments, and documents management. Who are the main clients of Brooky? It has a B2B business model. Its main clients are the developers, the business owners. So the developers use the service of Brooky on a subscription basis payable every month. And then Brooky then develops a Brooky app specific to the needs of that developer. So it's actually customizable depending on what service, the extent of service that you want Brooky to provide. So this is why if you search on Play Store or Apple Store, you will find several Brooky apps, one per developer. So they currently have 7 developer clients. They have Demosaland, Wecom, Echo Verde Homes, A Brown, Duraville, and AGD3 Corporation. Their subscription is on a per project basis, and they are currently handling 25 real estate projects on Brooky. Who are its target users? So the users of Brooky are the brokers and agents and not the buyers. So once you are an accredited seller to that developer, they will then give you access to their Brooky account. So for instance, I use A Brown Brooky a lot, and here is how it works. Okay, so now let's open the A Brown Brooky app. So it looks like this. And then you will have your own profile. Let's say I want updated inventory to Xavier Estates Phase 2. So once you click the project, you will be given several options. So what information do you need? Do you need an updated map, the model house, price list, what their current promos are, or sample computation? So let's say I want the updated map. So the Brooky app, by the way, will need internet connection. So you won't be able to access it without an internet connection. Okay, so as you can see, this is the map of Ignatius Enclave Phase 2, and it's already sold out. So if there were any available inventory, there would be a dot on the units that are still available. So it just got sold out recently. So let's say I want to get a sample computation of Ignatius Enclave. So go to the project, click sample computation, and then Brooky will deliver the information that you need. Okay, so Brooky sent the document within seconds, and you just need to open the document to check the sample computation. So here it is. So you can see the sample computation over here. So once you have the information that you need, you can actually share the link to the file via WhatsApp, Viber, Messenger, or email, or you can download the file and then share the file as is to your clients. And that's it. Brookie is super easy to use, and what I love about it is really the speed that I am able to get the information that I need so I can send it to my clients immediately. The thing is, the developer just really needs to update the information within their Brookie app so that whatever I send will be the latest version, like the latest computation, the latest promos, and especially the latest inventory. Why is Brookie useful to me as a real estate broker? First, it allows me to transact online, which I love. I do almost all my reservations online. Like, it's super convenient. There's no need for me to be physically present at the developer's office. And since it is a huge time saver, I get to reserve more clients while staying at home. And second, the data that I need, I can get within seconds. Since Brookie uses artificial intelligence, I can get the data that I need, and I won't have to communicate with the marketing staff because although they do their best, they're only human, right? Like they have like tons and tons of chat groups to maintain. So it can get overwhelming. So Brookie solves this problem. Instead of having to respond to like 50 group chats that you have as a marketing staff, the marketing staff will now only need to update the database regularly. It will allow both the developers and agents to become more efficient, and this will lead to more closed deals, which is a win-win for both. And another bonus is that it's free for the agents, like I mentioned. So as the agent, you won't have to spend a thing to enjoy the automation Brookie brings you. And by the way, Brookie was also featured as one of the contestants in the final pitch, Real Estate Edition. You can check out the episodes on YouTube. It's the first time I watched an entire season of the final pitch. Now, another app I would like to share with you is Dazzle. So it's a new app by the same team that developed Brookie. I just started using it last week. So basically, it's an app that matches agents with listings to agents with buyers. It's still very new. They don't have the matching feature yet. But for now, what it does is that it gives you an organized way to manage your listing. So in general, it's very simple to use. It lets me see my listings in list view. Although currently you can only add up to 5 photos. So I would have wanted to post more photos because if it's a house, 5 photos isn't enough. Clients will want to see more photos. Another feature I would like to be able to have Dazzle have is to have a shareable link, and also for me to be able to add YouTube links. Since I use YouTube as a way to reach my clients and sell real estate, then it would be great if I could also add the links to my house tours on my Dazzle listing, so that when I share all the details, the client can click that link if they want to check the house tour. Okay, so let me show you how Dazzle works. So I'm gonna open the app. This is what it looks like in the homepage. And then when I click my listings, you can see, I can see all the listings that I have. So I've already posted a few listings. And let's say I want to share the listing. So I click this icon over here, the share icon. And then I can share it directly via Messenger or Viber or WhatsApp. And I can also generate the document as a PDF file and then send that PDF file to my client. So it will look like this. So once the file is generated, all the photos will be on the right side, and then the details of the property will be on the left side. And then my contact information and name will be on the lower right side. And then I can just send this to my clients or other agents and brokers who need my listing. So I will show you how to add listings on Dazzle. It's quite easy. So you just click add new listing. Let's say residential house, sell. Let's say the property is 10 million. And then you just put in the number of bedrooms, toilet and baths, number of parking spaces, the lot area. Let's say it's 200 square meters. Floor area is 200 square meters. Frontage, it's actually optional. And then click if the property is furnished or not. I'll click unfurnished. freehold, listing title. So this would be the title to your listing. Let's say Philam 16 million house. And then you can put additional descriptions as well. Let's say it's a corner lot, brand new house for sale with swimming pool. And then click next. And then of course the province, Miss Or, Cagayan de Oro City, barangay, let's say Balulang, subdivision, let's say Philam Life Village. And then you don't need to put the street name and the block and lot because that's optional. And then click next. And then you just need to add amenities. Let's say, of course, there's a kitchen, Wi-Fi, there's a pool in the subdivision, security, covered parking, central AC, balcony, and tile flooring. And then click next. And then you just need to add the photos of your listing. So let's say add photo, confirm. And then the listing is now up on Dazzle. So it's super easy. And then you will see it like this. And that is it for today's video. So I shared 2 real estate apps with you that I use, which are both developed by Cagayan de Oro based developers. How awesome is that? Brookie and Dazzle. If you have any questions, and if you would like to be updated, of course, of the newest listings and newest projects, great deals in Cagayan de Oro and Davao, then just send me an email so I can add you to my mailing list. Until my next video, bye!